Estás a gostar? É?
Vamos sentar na escada.
Depois de galera aguardar que o carro.
This is one of my favorite pastries. This is where you buy it. Okay, very nice place, like I just showed you on the video. And voila, you shake the sugar off, of course, or else it's too much sugar, but it's got pumpkin inside. It's a nice sweet pumpkin, very tasty, and the dough is like very crispy and very thin. I'll show you now. Okie dokie, so today got the vitamins. I already had pre-opened the box just to make sure everything was alright. So this is a place where I buy my vitamins, and the vitamins, you know, for the house, whoever wants, from naturitas.com. And yes, now get some magnesium for my dad, and this is always good, keeps all your intestine and stomach in order. Also got this one. This, I haven't tried this one. No one has irritable colon, but looks like it's not just for that, it's for a bunch of stuff, so it's more to like protect. Always good to take protection for your intestine and your stomach. At least I always like to take it. Vitamin K2, This is personal stuff, so I'm not saying you should take any of this. Just to show you guys that they have a bit of everything. So they have K2 vitamin with D3. They got all type of vitamins and supplements. This is krill omega-3. I like to take this as well. My omega-3, I like to take it through krill and not fish oil, which is quite hard to digest. This one's super easy. I don't even feel the taste or anything. Creatine, so when I'm doing the hard exercise, hard labor, always helps out. And this is not for me, of course, woman. Okay, and this is also for women. So I also got this. Then I'll get the feedback from the person that's going to take it. It's actually for my mother. Okay, so she's going well taking these type of vitamins. This is an offering, which I will not take this. What is this? To sleep? No, thank God I sleep well. And so they give a little gift. Okie dokie, not gonna need it, but anyways. So yeah, so this place has all type of vitamins and everything. Just sharing some of the vitamins and stuff that I buy normally. Very good. But yes, you can get everything you need. So whatever you need, nothing this has to do with you, I'm sure. But whatever you need, you can get it through the natulitas.com. Okie doke, everyone. So, on the previous videos, you can go see that I had these pots inside the painting booth, but I decided to sand them down again because I also had to drill some holes. Okay, because this pot, for example, was a new pot in fiberglass, and smooth that out a bit more, get some more defaults out. Okay, so this one is done. I just finished up doing these holes on the side over here, because you have to like boot all the pots into place, then take them all out, and then boot them back into place, because you got to mark these ones, and then you got to mark these ones, and then it's it's just crazy. And the other parts are over here. So also got the frames for the lights, also going to paint them. This is the other frame of the headlights. Okay, doke. So this is the older one that was on there. So it's really fiberglass. I only had to get a new one for the other side. So this is all nice. This one had a lot of markings. I mean, you can see all this patch up I had to do. Those were all holes, because whoever did this did not patch up the holes that appear on the fiberglass. Okay, so I had to get that all smoothed out. And finally, our restored middle center grill. Check that out, everyone. Look at that. Now that is looking nice. Remember, it was a piece of scrap. You can see in the previous videos, got that all nice and together. So I gave the first paint on it, and then just sanded it down a little bit more. Okay, and yes, got all stainless steel washers and screws into place and all restored. So it ended up staying tougher, but I had to redo the holes, as you can see. So these holes did not go according to what's on the car and the other frames of the headlights, so I had to, yes, redo that. So yes, looking excellent. This grill gives such a different touch to it. I mean, it just looks so nice. The other one was extremely ugly. I can show you the difference. So this is the original net that was on this part over here. Okay, oops, trying to fall down. And yes, looks much better with the more closed up nets. Okay, so yes, extremely happy with that. What a difference. Now it looks like a proper grill. It's very tough. So filling it up with the resin and fiberglass inside of these channels, fixed up all the cracks. That this was all broken, all these were broken in half. This was like very more flexible. Now it's super duper hard, and it's just excellent. So very happy with this, guys. Now I'm going to get the painting booth up, okay, inflatable painting booth, and do the paint job on these pots. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, so just finished up painting, taking the pots out. So I actually used some sandals to get in. I don't bring dirt in here. Now just make sure how am I going to get this one out. I got to push it to the side a little bit. Only then can I turn it over. Beautiful. What a difference it makes, the painting booth. No dirt, nothing. So I'm just going to let it now dry a bit more. Open up the door now. It's raining heavily just now, big storm, and I was still able to paint inside. Amazing. So now I'm going to put this next to the others. They are my shoes. Oh, when you have something like this, you got to put filters on the fan. If you don't put some filter net, or if you're working and you have dust in the air, it will blow it back in. So if you don't want any type of dust, let me just get this. Sorry guys, just get this sorted out here. Okay. So if you don't want any type of dust, then yes, put filters on the fans. Beautiful. Look at that, everyone. Amazing. Amazing. Much better than it was what it was looking like. I'm not saying it's 100%, but much better. This grill is going to stay so much nicer, and I have to do some rich touches up on the Jeep, and then yes, we'll put that back in order. It's all confusing here because I just received new material. See all this buttons, emergency buttons, everything. I just a bunch of electronic stuff just came, so it's all a bit crazy. And yes, not a huge amount, just enough what we use, to build a machine or two. Beautiful. Look at that. Looks like a Batman car parts. So proud. That was that's not easy. Okay, take my hats off on car painters, and they paint car parts and that, because it's not easy. You want it to look like really spec on, and I need like another sanding, and just to get 100% everything out, I need like another day just sanding again, plastering this or that little tiny thing, and then paint it again, but it's good enough. Beautiful. Thank you, Jesus, for the good work. Thank you for the help. There's always turbulence, and there's always a fight and troubles whenever you're trying to do something, so that's just part of life. Accept it and keep on moving on. Let's go.